Hello student, today we will discuss question number exercise 6.2 question number 10 onwards. Let fx equal to log x belong to 0 to infinity, close interval of 0 to infinity. We have to prove that this is increasing function. At first I will differentiate f dash x equal to 1 upon x will always greater than 0 for the value of x lie between 0 and infinity. Hence fx is increasing. This is very simple question. Question number 11. Fx equal to x square minus x plus 1. At first you will differentiate f dash x equal to 2x minus 1 and f dash x equal to, let f dash equal to 0. After solving this one, x equal to 1 upon 2. Right? Okay. At first you will just represent this one in the number line. Minus 1, 1 upon 2, 1. Right? Interval, sign of f dash x and nature of function. Right? Okay. Interval minus 1 to 1, open interval of minus 1 to 1 and 1 upon 2 to 1. Right? Within this interval, you are getting the value of sin f dash x is negative, so it is decreasing. Within this interval, you are getting the value of f dash x is positive, hence it is increasing. Hence, from minus 1 to 1 by 2, the given function is decreasing, and 1 by 2 to 1, it is increasing, further increasing. Hence, it is neither increasing nor decreasing. Question number 14. This is very important question. This question carry 2 marks. Fx equal to x square plus ax plus 1. Let f dash x equal to 2x plus 1 and let f dash x equal to 0 and 2x plus 1 equal to 0, x equal to minus 1 upon 2. Since the value of x lie between 1 and 2 including 1 and 2 implies x minus a upon 2 is greater than equal to 1 and less than equal to 2. Implies 1 equal to minus a upon 2. Implies minus a equal to 2 and implies a equal to minus 2. Since we have to find out the least value of a, here the least value of a is minus 2. Question number 15. We have to find out that given function is increasing for the interval disjoint from the closed interval of minus 1 to 1. At first I will differentiate it. F dash x equal to differentiation of x will be 1 and differentiation of 1 upon x will be minus 1 upon x square, and 1 f dash, since f dash x will always greater than 0 for the value of x belong to R minus closed interval of minus 1 to 1. Right? You can justify the answer like that. If you will put, let us suppose x equal to 1 upon 2, which is not belong to R minus close interval of 1 to 1, you will get f dash x negative, it is decreasing. If you are putting the value x equal to 2, which is disjoint from this interval, means any real number except the real number which fall between this interval, minus 1, close interval of minus 1 to 1. Let us suppose you are putting x equal to 2, you will get f dash 2 equal to 1 minus 1 upon 4 equal to 3 upon 4. You are getting the value greater than 0. Hence, it is increasing. Right? Now, come to the question number 16. Fx equal to log x. We have to find out that the given function is increasing in the open interval of 0 to pi by 2 and decreasing in the interval of pi by 2 to pi. At first, I will differentiate f dash x equal to differentiation of log sin x 1 upon sin x, and differentiation of sin x will be cos x, means cot x. Let f dash x equal to 0 and cot x equal to 0, x equal to pi by 2. Right? Now, as per the given interval, I will make the table in interval sin of f dash x, nature of function. First interval is open interval of 0 to pi by 2 and 0 to pi by 2. The sin of f dash x, since 0 to pi by 2 means in the first quadrant, we are discussing in the first quadrant. In the first quadrant, chord all are positive. All are positive. Therefore, cot x will be positive. Hence, f dash x is positive. Hence, nature of function increasing. Pi by 2 to pi. The sign of f dash x means cot x. The sign of cot x. Sign of the value. Sign of the value of the cot x means, since pi by 2 to pi lie in the second quadrant. In the second quadrant, cot is negative by ASTC rule. Therefore, it is decreasing. Hence, given function increasing in the interval of open interval of 0 to pi by 2 and decreasing in the open interval of pi by 2 to pi. Thank you very much. Have a nice day ahead.